The goal of a successful trader is to make the best trades. Money is secondary. Do more of what works and less of what doesn't. Never, ever argue with your trading system. In this business, if you're good, you're right 6 times out of 10. You're never going to be right 9 times out of 10. All the math you need in the stock market you get in the 4th grade. Novice traders trade 5 to 10 times too big. They are taking 5 to 10% risk on a trade they should be taking 1 to 2% risk on. In investing, what is comfortable is rarely profitable. There is no single market secret to discover, no single correct way to trade the markets. Those seeking the one true answer to the markets haven't even gotten as far as asking the right question, let alone getting the right answer. If most traders would learn to sit on their hands 50% of the time, they would make a lot more money. In trading or investing, it's not about how much you make, but rather how much you don't lose. Every trader has strengths and weaknesses. Some are good holders of winners but may hold their losers a little too long. Others may cut their winners a little short but are quick to take their losses. As long as you stick to your own style, you get the good and bad in your own approach.